Hello, how are you, Khalid?
I'm fine.
Hello, Basil. Can you hear me? Nadeem? How are you, boys?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Okay, you can see it clear, right? You can see the screen clear?
Yes.
You can read it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so with me, Muhammad Al-Amri, Muhammad Abdullah Al-Amri.
Yes.
Okay, then with me is Nadeem, Basil, and Khalid Muhammad. Okay, just wait, let them come and then we will start. Okay,
Hi, Mister.
hello. Nadeem, what happened? Today you are
No, no, nothing.
you're sleeping? Still
No,
sleeping? Okay.
no, no.
Okay, so here we have today now Asil and Abdullah Al-Liham is with us or with us.
احنا يوم وقت
Abdullah Faisal is there.
اهلا هاي سير.
Hello.
السلام عليكم.
Walaikum salam,
وعليكم
Abdullah.
السلام.
Okay, so today we are going to discuss, actually we are going to revise our unit number 1, 2 and 3 questions made from the lessons we have done. So we will choose the answers, choose the correct answers which are given A, B and C. There are 3 options and you will choose one of them which is right. Okay, so your exam is near now, midterm exam, sorry, first term exam. So you should be ready, mid-year exams. Okay, so you should be ready for that. Okay, number A, Nadeem, read it.
Okay. A outer layer of the body,
Is
skin.
skin, hairs or muscles? How?
Skin.
A, skin. Okay. Abdullah Faisal, answer is right. Skin or hairs?
Yeah. What?
What is the answer for question A? Which is the right answer? A, skin, B, hairs, C, muscles.
Skin.
Skin. Okay. Yazan, do you agree?
Yes.
Okay. Umar Muhammad Ibrahim, are you there?
Yes. Teacher, can I do C?
Just
I mean B.
1 second. So the answer for right answer for first question right is skin.
Yes, sir, I can name number B.
I will call your name. Asil, can you hear me? Muhammad Al Amri, come forward.
Yes.
Okay. B. A is done. Now
The
B.
balls of magnet. Yes.
Yes.
The balls of magnetism.
Magnets.
Magnets are
Yes. What are the poles of magnets? W and E,
north and south.
P and
C.
T, N and S.
N and S.
Okay. Abdullah Lehan, do you agree with the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Usama is with us now.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Usama.
Sir, I want me.
Okay, I will just look. They are raising their hands. Usama, Yazan, and Muhammad. So you should do like that. So N and S, right? North and south.
South.
Okay, now Khalid Muhammad, come forward.
Teacher, is this going in the quiz or no?
We are revising. Maybe you have some questions from it. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Khalid, yes, come forward and read C. We have
Okay. We have muscles to
muscles, not muscles.
muscles
Aywa.
to
Yes. A option
wait.
is eat. B option is move. C option is cross. We have muscles to eat, to move, or to cross. Which one is right? We have muscles to Abdullah, don't open your mic.
To move.
We have
To
muscles to
move.
move. Excellent. We have muscles to move. Osama, answer is right. Jawab saha. We have muscles to move. هذا صح ولا غلط? Okay. Thank you, Osama.
Wrong. We have to eat. Eat, not move.
No, according to your lesson, you have muscles to move, not only to eat. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next. Next is Muhammad Ibrahim As-Somali. Are you there? Muhammad Ibrahim.
Yes.
Okay, now you have next D. By
heating, solids change into
yes.
gases.
When you heat a solid, say ice or ice cream or chocolate, when you heat them, they become gases, solids or liquids. Ice becomes what?
Liquid.
Liquid. Okay. Muhammad Al-Amri, do you agree? Muhammad Abdullah.
Yes.
Yes, they become liquids or solids. When you heat solids, they change into gas, solid or liquid. First change. They become liquid. When you heat up ice, it becomes solid.
Liquid.
Or ice cream, they becomes liquid, right? They become liquids. Okay, Usama.
Yes.
Usama,
Yeah.
Usama.
Hala.
Okay.
Hala.
Ikra E and give me the answer. E.
Or our
Uh, blood.
blood is
Blood yani dam. Solid, liquid or gas?
liquid.
Liquid. Okay. Basil, can you hear me? Basil. Basil, can you hear me? Okay. Abdullah Faisal, come forward. Abdullah Faisal. Abdullah Masaid.
Yes.
Yes. F.
Eh?
F. Yes, this one.
Iron
Iron.
and iron and nickel are
Nickel. Nickel.
Ah.
Yes. Iron and nickel are non-metals, non-magnetic, or magnetic.
mm,
No magnetic.
No. Iron yani hadid, non-magnetic. Very good, Abdullah. Iron, it's mean hadid. Iron mafia magnetic. It's non-magnetic.
No.
Okay, who will answer it? It's wrong, Abdullah. Asil, can you hear me, Asil? Or Basil? Both of you. Yazan, open your mic.
yes, teacher.
Yes, iron and nickel are non-metal, non-magnetic, or magnetic.
Magnetic.
Magnetic, very good. So, Abdullah, as I told you, there are three magnetic metals which are iron, nickel, and one was cobalt. Yeah, Salam. Yeah, Yazan, thank you. Iron, nickel, and cobalt. So, third one is cobalt. Only three metals are magnetic, which are iron, nickel, and cobalt. Remember next time. Okay, Abdullah Leham. G.
Yes, sir.
G.
Yes. Yes. The skull protects our brain.
The skull protects our liver, brain, or lungs.
Brain.
Brain. Okay. So, Nadeem,
Because the skull is in the brain. I get it in the science.
the brain is in the skull, not skull is in the
Yes.
brain.
Uh,
You're opposite. Thank you, Abdullah. Yes, Nadeem. Nadeem, Walid.
Yes.
Okay. G. What is the
The
answer?
skull protect our brain.
Our brain. Thank you. The skull protects our brain. Okay. I think everybody has given the answer. Basil and Asil, you are left. If you can hear me, open your mic. Osama, come forward, Osama. Open your mic. Osama,
Halasta.
aywa, H.
Hala.
H. The boiling point
It's the boiling point
of water
of water
is
is
100 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius, or 300 degrees Celsius. Yes, which is the answer? What is the right answer, Abdullah? Osama.
300.
300, mashallah. Okay.
300.
Okay. Who else? Anybody else? Khalid. Khalid Muhammad.
Sir, I want to answer. I'm Basil.
Yes, Basil.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Basil, what is the answer? Sorry, Khalid, just 1 second. Yes, Basil.
Sir, Niche
Basil,
of
you can
water
answer.
is 100.
Okay, 100 degrees Celsius is the right answer. Thank you, Basil. Umar Muhammad, open your mic and come. Umar Muhammad is with us now. Yes. Read I. I. This one is for you. I.
I am here, Abdullah Faisal.
No, no, Abdullah. Umar Muhammad. Yes, when we are ill, ill, I will read it. Umar, I can't hear you. I think nobody can. Can you hear me, Nadeem?
Yes.
Okay, Umar, there is problem in your mic. Check your mic. Yes, Abdullah, Muhammad Abdullah Alamri. You are raising your hand.
When we are
Ill.
ill,
Yes.
we use
Yes, what we use? We use water, we use apple, or we use medicines.
medicines.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Abdullah Faisal. Yes, what is the answer? Water, apple, or medicines?
Sir, can I answer?
Yes, Basil, you can answer.
Apple.
Medicines, okay.
Medicines. Yes, sir.
Okay, Abdullah Leham, you can answer.
Yes, sir. Water.
When we are ill, yani if
Water.
we are marees, we drink water, we eat apple,
Yes.
or we take medicine.
Water. Medicines. Water.
Yes, Muhammad
Water.
Ibrahim.
Water. Medicines. هذا الأدوية.
Yes, Abdullah, okay. Yes, Muhammad Ibrahim As-Somali.
Yes.
Medicines. Medicines is the right answer. Medicines is the right answer. You take, or anybody who is patient, he takes medicines. Maybe some patients cannot drink water. Maybe some patients cannot eat apple. So medicines is the right answer. Okay. In some cases, they can't actually drink water. Understand, Basil and Abdullah Lehan. So next one is, to find directions we use birds, compass, or skeleton. Which is the right answer?
Compass.
Okay. Abdullah is saying compass. Okay.
Compass.
When you give the answer, stop your mic.
Compass.
Abdullah, one time.
Compass.
Abdullah, only one time. Answer only one time. Okay. Muhammad Abdullah, what is the answer?
Compass. Compass. Yes, sir.
Yes. So compass is the right answer. Compass is the right answer. Thank you. So for this page we have done. Now we will just read and move towards next page. So number one is, now close your mics. Outer layer of the body, outer layer of the body is, what is that called? That is called skin. Okay. Then we have the poles of magnets are north and south. We have muscles to move. By heating, solids change into liquids. Our blood is a solid, sorry, a liquid. Our blood is liquid. Iron and nickel are magnetic. The skull protects our brain. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. When we are ill, we use medicines or we take medicines. To find directions, we use compass. Okay, so now we will move towards next page. Question number one we have done as true false. Now question number two. Now question number three. Question number three is match column A and B. Match the column A and B. Okay. Column A. Nadeem, read column A.
Brain.
Brain.
Arms
Okay.
and brain. Arms and legs. Hands and feet. Skull and pelvis. Heart and lungs.
Okay. Now Basil, read B. Basil, can you hear me? Basil?
He is here, but the mic is
No,
not.
yes, he is now joining with his mobile and then he will talk. I think so. Yes, Basil. He is watching on computer and answering from mobile.
Too much. I want to open the mobile.
Okay. Now,
Long bones, short bones, skull, ribcage protects neck and elbow,
okay.
flat bone.
Yes. So we have 6 in column B, 6 options, and 5 options in A. So first of all, we will read brain. Brain. What is the answer for brain? Suitable answer for brain in column B.
Skull.
Skull. That's nice. Okay. Skull. Okay. Abdullah, first of all, you have to answer only one time. Don't repeat skull, 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 skull. Okay, I can hear you. If you answer, okay, skull and close your mic. Okay. Arms and legs. Yes, what is the answer? Muhammad Al Amri.
Yeah,
Yes.
brain and legs.
Yes, arms and legs. What do we find there?
Long and bones.
Long bones. Very good. Long bones are found in arms and legs. Thank you, Abdullah. Now we have hands and feet. Yes, Omar Muhammad. Omar Muhammad.
Yes,
Yes. Hands and feet. What is the right answer? What happened to Omar? Okay, Abdullah Leham.
yes, sir.
Yes. For number 3, hands and feet. Which one is right? Short bones, rib cage, neck and elbow, or flat bones? Which one is right?
Yes. Hands and feet.
Yes. What do you find there?
Flat bones.
Flat bones in your hand. You have flat bones. Yes. Who? Anybody else?
Me.
And elbow. Nike and elbow. Nike and elbow. Nike and elbow.
Mashallah, Abdullah Lehan. You are saying neck and elbow? There is hand and feet. You are saying neck and elbow. What is this? We find short bones in our hands and feet. We find short bones, यानी صغير, उज़ाम صغير, मौजूद في hands and feet.
Rib cage protect.
Skull protects. Skull and pelvis are flat bones. Skull and pelvis are flat bones. Last one, heart and lungs are, yes, Nadeem. Yazan, sorry. Yazan, I missed Yazan. Yazan, come forward.
Yes, protect.
Yazan. Yes, for 5, number 5. Heart and lungs. You have two options, rib cage protects or neck and elbow.
Heart and
Yes. What is the right answer? I can't hear you, Yazan. Check your mic. I cannot hear your voice.
teacher. Mister, can I
Yes, you can, Nadeem.
rib cage protects?
Rib cage protects heart and lungs. Yazan, sorry, but I didn't hear you. You were giving the answer, but I can't hear you. Nobody can hear you. Okay, so brain is in skull, arms and legs. We have long bones. Short bones are found in hands and feet. Skull and pelvis are flat bones. Heart and lungs are protected by rib cage. So neck and elbow, this one is extra. Okay. Any problem in this today?
No. No.
Okay. So this is it for today.
No.
Okay. You have exam next week.
No.
Okay. Be ready for that.
Yes, sir.
Goodbye.
We will get it in the we will get it in the quiz. Goodbye.
Not the same, but revised. Not the same, but
Sir,
some parts.
some.
Yes, like if ribcage protects is written, maybe skull protects, something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Goodbye.
مشكلة.
Goodbye.
ولا